The new symbol of extreme wealth is not always above ground. Some of the most expensive luxury spaces are being designed to disappear beneath the earth. For years, the luxury home was built to be seen. Glass walls, infinity pools, dramatic entrances, and impossible views told the world that the owner had arrived. Now a different kind of property is gaining attention. The residence designed to stay hidden. The bunker boom is not just about fear. It is about control. The ultra-wealthy are buying privacy, resilience, autonomy, and the feeling that whatever happens outside, their world can continue inside. The modern wealthy live inside a constant flow of risk signals. Climate events, cyber attacks, supply chain shocks, pandemics, financial volatility, and social unrest. Even when the probability is low, the anxiety is always available. That is why the bunker has moved from survivalist fantasy to luxury architecture. It is no longer just concrete, cans, and a steel door. At the top end, it can include wellness rooms, wine storage, medical suites, cinemas, and private offices. The richest people often buy what removes uncertainty. They buy assistance to remove scheduling chaos, private aviation to remove airport friction, security to remove exposure, and now underground residences to remove the feeling of vulnerability. This does not mean every owner expects disaster tomorrow. Often the purchase is psychological. It says, if the world becomes unstable, I have already solved my personal problem. Traditional shelters were built around minimum survival: air, water, food, and protection. Luxury bunkers add a different question. Can life continue comfortably, privately, and beautifully for a long period of time? That question changes everything. The design must handle ventilation, power, water, communication, security, waste, medical storage, food systems, and mental comfort. A luxury bunker is not a room. It is an underground machine. The best secure residences are designed to disappear. A garden wall, garage, wine cellar, or hillside door may hide the access point. The owner wants protection without advertising exactly where protection begins. That invisibility is part of the luxury. A visible fortress can attract attention. A hidden system keeps daily life normal. For wealthy clients, the ideal bunker may be the one guests never notice. The hardest part is not only engineering, it is psychology. People are not built to live underground without light, movement, privacy, and beauty. A bad bunker protects the body while crushing the mind. That is why high-end designs use circadian lighting, gyms, saunas, hydroponic gardens, cinemas, libraries, art walls, and acoustic treatment. The goal is to make the space feel less like hiding and more like retreating. The bunker itself is only one layer. The surrounding service system matters more. Trained staff, maintenance schedules, medical planning, communications, logistics, and protocols that can actually work under stress. A door is useless if nobody maintains the air system. A generator is useless if fuel planning fails. A pantry is useless without rotation. The real product is not the structure, it is readiness. For the ultra-rich, one bunker is often part of a larger compound. The home, guest houses, Farms, water access, energy systems, landing areas, and secure rooms all connect into a private ecosystem. This is the same pattern seen in yachts, islands, and private aviation. The wealthiest buyers are not buying objects. They are buying independent systems that reduce dependence on crowded public infrastructure. The bunker boom creates an uncomfortable question. If the richest people can buy escape from shared problems, what happens to everyone else? That tension is why these projects fascinate the public. But for the buyer, the logic is simple. They are not trying to solve society in that purchase. They are trying to protect their family, assets, staff, and continuity. Whether that is wise or excessive depends on who is watching. Luxury bunkers also reveal a shift in status. Once, extreme wealth wanted visibility. Now, parts of extreme wealth want disappearance. Privacy itself has become the rarest material. That is why secure real estate is crossing into luxury branding. The language is no longer only survival. It is resilience, continuity, wellness, privacy, and legacy. The next generation of secure residences will likely look less like bunkers and more like private resorts. Expect better lighting, cleaner air, gardens, remote work suites, medical rooms, and entertainment systems built for long stays. The highest-end versions may also integrate with above-ground beauty. A mountain estate, desert villa, or island compound can hide its strongest features below the surface while keeping the visible home elegant. The public often imagines panic rooms and apocalypse fantasies. The reality is more ordinary and more revealing. Wealthy people are planning for business interruption, family safety, medical access, and privacy. In other words, the bunker is not only about the end of the world. It is about the end of normal convenience. If roads close, networks fail, or public systems slow down, private systems become more valuable. The bunker boom sits inside a larger luxury trend. Control over movement, control over food, control over energy, control over information, and control over access. The bunker is the most literal expression of that trend. That is why these spaces fascinate millions of people. They combine everything modern luxury is becoming: beautiful, private, expensive, defensive, and slightly unsettling. A luxury bunker is not simply a place to hide. It is a statement about how the richest people read the future. They may hope never to use it, but they are willing to pay to know it exists. Above ground, wealth performs. Underground, wealth prepares. And that may be the most revealing luxury trend of all. If you want to be a billionaire, like, subscribe, and comment. God bless you.